521 compressor saver. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install this one. Very similar, except this coil takes a different voltage. Again, once we get to the smart board, we'll talk about those voltages and all that. And this one's nice because it gives you a nice little wiring diagram on where to hook everything up at. And so we're going to go ahead and get everything mounted, and we'll wire it up. This one also comes different colors. Some people prefer these because they get the best results. So we're going to go ahead and get our capacitor in there, and looks like everything's going to line up on the bracket, so I don't have to change my bracket out. Makes for a faster swap over. Sometimes you see these things is zip tied in here, and you got to do what you got to do, but always harp on a professional installation. Okay, so on these here, we're going to go off the diagram just to show you, since it was supplied. We're going to put the potential relay back in there. Okay, potential relay is installed. Run capacitor is installed. See if I can't get a better bite on that. There we go. Full quarter turn there. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and 49 seconds. We're 217 over 265, so we're equalizing. All right, go ahead and unplug our board just so we can take advantage of that little time delay, so I can plug this back in and hold my meters up here. All right, so we have 3 wires. You got red, black, and you have yellow. All right, so we're going to look at the diagram here, and if you look at the diagram, it says we want to go to our stripe wire needs to go to hermetic. Hermetic will be the orange wire. We're going to go ahead and put it on the terminal. Make sure it's nice and tight. So now our hermetic's on there. The next one says the red wire from 1 will come up to the common side of the capacitor, which is in parallel with the run winding. Okay, so we're going to take this side up here, and we're going to connect it to the other side of the capacitor. Okay, as you can see, I'm using my clines to get my terminals on there, and that gives you the best fit connection, so that doesn't create any problems. Last wire is black. It's obviously going to the common side. It says it right there. And that's just coming over to the common side of my contactor. If you look up here, that'll be this black wire up top. Go ahead and there we go. That's on there good. Try to pick up on it.